Hi, first graders. Okay, today you have, I'm making it a little bit more difficult for you. I believe in you. I know you can do this. So today what you're going to do is you're going to go to your McGraw-Hill button in the HSC2 portal. And instead of me reading the book to you, because this is important for this book that you try and read it on your own. So I have assigned the book to you instead of me reading it aloud, because we're moving into that more difficult stage where these are words that you can read or sound out. So we're going to click on this book called Friends once you get into your assignments page. You click on it, and it's going to look like this. Like this. Now, this is the first page. Now, this book has lots of books in it, so you want to make sure you stop when I stop, right? So when you get to it, you can use these arrows to change pages like you usually watch me do. But these ones, you don't usually see me use these, but these speaker books, these speaker buttons, these will read the words out loud to you if you push the ones next to it. So if you click this, it'll read the title and the author out loud to you. So if you can't read the word, like this word is, friends. If you can't read the word, you can click on this speaker button and it will read it for you. But do your best to read it on your own. That's why you're getting it assigned today. We go to the next page and we have text that we're reading. So this one, if I want to try and read it, great. If I need it read aloud first, that's fine too. And as you click on them, it will highlight each word as it says it, so you can figure out if you have words that you can't remember or you can't figure out. Once you've read the whole book, so if I go through all the pages, all about Pam and Jill being friends, when I get to this page, I stop. I don't need to read this page at all. So this is the last page of the book when it says, "It's a fun day." That's the last page you have to listen to. So when you're done listening to the book, you come to Lumio, and there will be workbook pages for you to do in Lumio. So read the book. I would read it twice. You know me, I like when you read it twice because it really helps you remember what you read. So when you do the Lumio, you can do much better. All right, I'll see you in your Lumio B button. Have a great rest of your day.